Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the immensely desirable and quiet community of Balmoral Heights, Tower Isle, St. Mary, is this amazing investment property for sale. It consists of 11 bedrooms across 8 self-contained apartments. The property is gated and sits on 37,488.8 square feet of well-fruited land. The ground floor consists of 4 very spacious units, 2 one-bedroom and 2 two-bedroom apartments with verandahs. The upper floor offers a 2-bedroom and 1-bedroom unit. There are 2 additional self-contained 1-bedroom units to the rear. In addition, there is also a rooftop gazebo overlooking the Caribbean Sea for entertainment and relaxation. The property can be utilized for a variety of purposes. It can be a family home, vacation house, short or long-term rental units, or also provide staff accommodations, as it is located in the resort community of Tower Isle and approximately 10 minutes from Ocho Rios. If you are currently looking for an investment opportunity in Jamaica, this is it. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 95 million or US $617.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.